Your users love your product, but are they the buyer? In AgeTech, your user isn't always your buyer. And in this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to run customer discovery the right way. I'm Keren Etkin. I've spent almost a decade in AgeTech as a startup co-founder, founding team member, and advisor, leading product and research. And I've seen too many founders fumble this one, only running user interviews before jumping into building their prototype, or worse, doing no interviews at all. If you're not sure how to run user interviews, I've got a video linked in the card above. But today we're talking about buyer discovery, learning how decision makers feel the pain, how they budget for it, and whether they'll pay for any solution, not just yours. Step 1, do your homework. Educate yourself before the call. Learn the jargon, the job titles, the KPIs, procurement process, even the vendors they already use. It's okay if you can't find everything online, but don't ask questions Google could have answered. You don't want them to feel like you're wasting their time. Step 2, target budget owners and influencers. Who signs the check? Who feels the pain? Both matter. Think directors of nursing, PTs or OTs, community executives, CFOs. You want a holistic picture of all stakeholders who could say yes or no. Warm introductions are always best. And when you ask for the call, frame it like this. I'd love to have 30 to 60 minutes to understand your workflow around this problem. Be upfront, you're not there to pitch, just to learn. Step 3, set the frame. I'm mapping how organizations handle this problem today so we don't build the wrong thing. Aim for a 20 to 80 talk ratio. You talk 20%, they talk 80%. Step 4, map the pain and the workflow. Ask about the last time this problem happened. Where do time and money get burned? How do they handle it today? Do they have a vendor? Is it DIY or is it nothing? If they don't currently have a solution in place, why not? Is the problem not painful enough or is there no solution available? If you're not sure what to ask, I've put together a free customer discovery cheat sheet. Click the link in the description to grab it. Step 5. If there's water in the well, and if there's a clear pain, quantified cost, and a known budget owner, you might just have the start of a relationship. Don't push. Instead, plant the seed. When your product is ready, what they want to try a pilot. That's how early champions are born. To summarize, you need to do your homework. Target buyers and influencers, map pain and workflow, and remember that you're building relationships. And if you found this useful, check out this playlist with more tips and tricks. Until next time, stay humble, stay curious,